Welcome back. So this is what we created in the previous video. We have we have created the components and also set the roots and connected with our index.html file, and also created the navbar and connected both the components here. So now let's add the footer. So after date I will add the footer, and the tag for footer is footer. Now let's have some content here. Let's have a paragraph with class. I hope you know the meaning of class and IDs and etc. thing. So text center will show the content in the paragraph tag on the center of the page. Direct copy, and this is for 2021 news, and let's also give it some bootstrap classes. Let's save it and see if it works. Yeah, so here is our footer which is in action. Now let's get to our the service file. We will be connecting with our APIs. So we will be working in this file, and first let's import HTTP client, because we want to communicate with our APIs. So let's create a variable for that, so or we can say an object. So I have created it. Now in the constructor, not in the constructor, after the constructor we will be having the links of our APIs. So first is let's name it as top headlines API URL, and let's copy the URL from there. So I will be copying it. Gets documentation part or get started. What is happening here? This is about Tesla. Okay, this is about news. Let's copy it, and we will edit it with our API token. So let me copy it, paste it, and we don't want news of any category, so I will be removing category from it, and I only want the news from India, so I will be replacing it with US with IN, and let me copy my API key and replace it with the default one. So I have also replaced the API key. Now let's define a function so that we can use it in our headlines component.ts. So top headlines, and we are giving it as a type as any, so that we don't have to cast it. Return. I am getting some call, so I will connect with you. Yeah, I have done with my call. So return this dot http dot we are making a get request, so get, and the URL which is this dot top headlines API URL, sorry. So this is what we have to do to connect with the API. Now let's open our headlines component.ts, and let's connect with our API data which we will be getting. So we have to import our API here, so it will be automatically imported when I will create a news API service. So it is imported. Now on init, whenever this page loads, we want to get the news, so let's get it. So this dot service dot the function name top headlines and now we will subscribe to it. So subscribe. Now let's store the result in result. Oh, what's happening with my typing. Now let's log the output so that we can see it in our console, and then we will connect. So let's see the output here. This is our website. I think everything is fine. Control Shift I, and you have to go to console tab, and you will see these are the articles which we are getting from our news API. And you see that the author, we are getting author name, the title of the news, and there are more things also. Let me create it, maximize it. You can see the description, which will be our news, and this will be the title, this is the source, and this is the URL of image, the image we will be seeing. So let's show this in our page and see the output. So we have to store this dot. I have to create a variable also for storing all the news. So let's create a variable top headlines result, and it will be of type any, and it will be a array. This dot top headlines result, and which we will be getting the articles, I think articles. So we have done with our TypeScript file. Now let's get to the actual output where we will be showing the outputs. So let's create a div container. Okay, I have to write the class, then I will give the class name container fluid empty -5. If you want to know what I am doing, you have to learn little bit of Bootstrap so that you can understand what I am doing here. Now let's give some headline for top headlines. Let's see the output, if it's showing top headlines. Yeah, it's working. Now let's do one thing. In this I want a row, so dot row, it creates dot row. I have added one extension in my VS Code so that I can directly write the code by typing some part of the code. Now let's create a div class call lg3. So I am dividing it into 4 sections, MT3 and MB also 3, and after that we will be looping through it. So star, let me do it in the next line. Let's close it so that we don't get the errors. And now let's get the for loop ng4. That's the specialty of what we say Angular, that we can loop through all the content which we are getting from our API. So I think I have to close it also. I haven't closed it, so let's close it. I have closed it. Now in this loop, let's create a card div class card, and let's show the image first. Image source, what is the name of the variable here? Headlines dot URL to image. Let's also give the width 100% and have some class here card image top. So we have created an image. Let's see, we will yeah, so the images of the news have been loaded from our APIs. Now after getting the image, let's get the titles. So let's create a card body div class card body. We have created the body. Now let's show the titles, so for which I am using h5 and the class is card title. You can get this code from Bootstrap also. I will show you the link. You have to just search cards in Bootstrap and you will get it. So it will also show our headlines. So these are the headlines, and the way you can get the you have to search cards on Bootstrap and you can get the code from here. So we are using one of these, we are using this type of card. You can see here I am using this. Now let's show the actual link of the article from where we are getting the articles. So we will give the link href equals to and the name for it is headlines.url, and we will be opening it in new page. So target will be equals to blank. We will be opening it in blank page, so target is blank, and let's create a button. So plus button dark button sm2. So we want a small button in dark color, and let's write it, read more about this news, and let's save it. I think it's done. Let's see the output. So we have created a first page of our website. We are getting the news from the news API, and we are showing the headlines. We are showing the title and the headlines. So let's click on read more, and we will be going to the actual articles from where we can read all news, complete news. We can read from by clicking on the read more button. So it's working. You might have used a app called InShorts which do this kind of thing. So we have done this. Now let's have little bit of CSS so it will look nice. So I will be writing a CSS in app component.css. not on this, I will be writing it on styles.css because I want the common CSS for all the files. So let's have star margin I want 0, and padding also I want 0. After date I want the text. I want the text to be more good, so I am using a text family which is Arial. If Arial is available, then it will show Arial, then it will show Helvetica, and then it will show sans serif. So this is the font family I am using, and let's do a little bit with our card title because it's not looking nice to me. So I will make it little bit bold. Let's refresh our page, and yeah, it's now good looking website. So that's it in this video. We will be completing the next part, which is our technology news part, in the next video. Thank you very much.